Can concealer be used instead of foundation?
When it comes to makeup, foundation is a staple product for many people. However, some may wonder if they can use concealer instead of foundation. In this video, we will explore this question and provide some tips on how to use concealer as a foundation alternative.
What is concealer?
Concealer is a makeup product that is used to cover blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections on the skin. It comes in various formulas, including liquid, cream, and stick.
How is it different from foundation?
Foundation is a makeup product that is used to even out skin tone and provide a base for other makeup products. It comes in various shades and formulas, including liquid, powder, and cream. The main difference between foundation and concealer is the coverage level. Foundation is designed to provide sheer to full coverage, while concealer is designed to provide high coverage in specific areas.
Can concealer be used as a foundation?
The short answer is yes, concealer can be used as a foundation. However, it is important to note that concealer is not designed to be used all over the face like foundation. It is best to use concealer as a foundation alternative in specific areas where more coverage is needed.
How to use concealer as a foundation alternative?
If you want to use concealer as a foundation alternative, here are some tips. 1. Start with a clean and moisturized face. 2. Apply concealer to areas where more coverage is needed, such as under the eyes, around the nose, and on any blemishes or dark spots. 3. Blend the concealer using a makeup sponge, brush, or your fingers. 4. Set the concealer with a setting powder to ensure it stays in place throughout the day. 5. If necessary, apply a light layer of powder to the rest of your face to even out the skin tone. In summary, concealer can be used as a foundation alternative, but it is important to remember that it is not meant to be used all over the face like foundation. By following the tips mentioned in this video, you can use concealer to provide more coverage in specific areas where you need it most.